Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to use Xfinity Wi-Fi Pass on Xbox One, login, limits, and troubleshooting. The Xbox One cannot initially navigate public login screens. So follow these simple steps to get online. Step 1 is to connect a mobile device. First, turn off your cellular data on your phone or tablet and then connect to the Xfinity Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Log into Xfinity. Then open a web browser and go to any website and log in with your Xfinity ID or now Wi-Fi pass credential. Step 3. Find your MAC address. On your mobile device, locate its Wi-Fi address or MAC address in the settings. Then write down the 12-character alphanumeric address, for example, 12 colon 34 colon 56 colon 78 colon 9A colon BC. Step 4. Enter MAC address on Xbox. Then power on your Xbox One and press the Xbox button to open the guide menu. In the guide menu, navigate to Profile and System. Then go to Settings, in it find General, and then tap on Network Settings. Now select Advanced Settings and tap on Alternate MAC address. In it choose Manual and enter your mobile device's MAC address and let your Xbox restart. Step 5. Connect your Xbox. Once the console restarts, go back to network settings and then connect to the Xfinity Wi-Fi network. Your console should immediately authenticate without needing to load or login page. Here are some limits and usage rules. The device limit. An Xfinity Pass typically allow usage on up to two devices at a time, based on your subscription tier. The registration cap. And you can register up to 10 devices on your Xfinity account. And if you get an error that you have reached your limit, you will need to remove an old device via the Xfinity Device Management portal. The usage restriction. Public hotspots are inherently shared. Expect higher latency, which can result in a moderate or strict NAT type. For the best performance, try gaming during off-peak hours. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.